Welcome to Pydle 122. Pydle is a daily puzzle game. You need to solve when writing Python code. I make a cute graphic every day, a pixelated 5x5 pixel image that you need to solve. Today's Pydle is the flag of Norway. So why Norway? Well, this is quite an exciting player, Erling Haaland, in the World Cup currently. I'm sure a lot of you are watching him, so really enjoy watching him. So today's Pydle is dedicated to him and his country, Norway. Okay, so have a go at solving this. This is literally the simplest Pydle you can find, so that would be a nice one if you're new to Pydle. I'm now going to solve yesterday's Pydle, which was a cute Yoda. So stick around if you want some hints how to solve Pydles. Okay, so this is quite a nice one. So let's do the whites first. We're just going to stick with Pydle coordinates, even though it's symmetrical, because this we don't really need the symmetry. Okay, so if you say if x in 0, 4, which would be the two verticals on the edges, but then we exclude and y not equal 1. Let's do that white. Okay, so that gives us the outline of Yoda. Next, let's do the greens. Aleph. So for the green, we can have first of all the top and the bottom. So we could just say Aleph y in 0, 2. Let's see what that gives us. Okay, let's do that as green. Oopsie, I forgot the quotes. One thing that's quite nice about Pydle is the error messages are really quite easy to understand, sometimes easier than Python if you run it on your desktop. Okay, so now for the horizontal line with the eyes. So to do that, we can say or y equals 1, and now you can see it's the even, so 0, oh sorry, no, it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's actually, yeah, it is the even x's. So then we say and x remainder 2 equals 0. Okay, so there we've got the eyes. And now what if I just did this, else surely the rest of the pixels should be brown. That's a mistake you can easily make, but that's also going to color the eyes brown, so we need to exclude the eyes. So we need to say L if, and we need to say y greater than 2. Okay, so say that is the line where y equals 2. So if we say if y greater than 2, it's just going to color the remaining pixels on the bottom brown. Oh, it's greater than 2, not less than 2. Okay, So that solves the Pydle. I hope you had fun. If you haven't done the Yoda yet, go back and have a go. It's a really fun one. And then if you're done with that, just have a go at solving Norway. And I'll see you again tomorrow.